let's jump and play. We'll learn the words in a fun new way. Some words join hands, just like glue. They stick together and make something new. It's a compound word. Toothbrush, clean and bright. Keyboard, keyboard, type it right. Rainbow, rainbow, colors glow. Sunshine, sunshine, watch it show. It's a compound word. I'll go and brush. Toothbrush. Let's go. Hopscotch, hopscotch, toe to toe. Snowman, snowman, tall and round. Sunglasses, glasses found. Found. Keep hopping. Football, football, let's go. Hopscotch, hopscotch, toe to toe. Snowman, snowman, tall and round. Sunglasses, sunglasses found. Keep hopping. Bedroom, bedroom, cozy and neat. Notebook, notebook, writing is sweet. Butterfly, butterfly, fluttering wings. Cupcake, yummy things.